In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can tame a bear here in 99 Nights in the Forest. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now let's go ahead and start by talking about what taming a bear actually means. Here in 99 Nights in the Forest, bears are hostile and cannot be domesticated. But if you do trap a bear near your base, it will aggro cultists during raids, attack anything that wanders too close, and act like an automated defensive turret. You're not essentially making the bear your friend, you're making it your neighbor, and it's really going to help you out. So first things first, what you're going to want to need to do is bait your bear. Bears are attracted to large meat and honey only, so find a bear that lives near caves or on the forest outskirts and drop a trail of meat leading towards your base. Stay far enough away so that the bear follows the food, not you. You're going to want to take this slow. One mistake and the bear targets you instead. But before you finish luring the bear, your trap does need to be ready. Build a sapling circle or a log wall enclosure and place it near the edge of your campfire's light radius. Leave one opening for the bear to enter. Saplings are preferred because they are harder for enemies to pass through. And essentially lead the bear through that open gap and use yourself as bait and then sprint away and quickly place the final wall or plant the last sapling. Whenever it's sealed, the bear is trapped near your base. Now during night raids, cultists often pack near the base's enclosure, in the bear's enclosure as well, so the bear's going to attack through the gaps in the walls or trees. Enemies usually die before reaching your fire, and by morning you could safely collect the bones, pelts, and drops without having to worry about any ammo, any traps, or any effort. The bear's essentially going to handle all the violence for you. Just make sure you're not standing too close to the enclosure, otherwise you will take damage. Make sure you don't weaken the walls, because bears still can kill you if you do misstep. But that is how you could soft tame a bear here in 99 Nights in the Forest. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.